I'm having too much fun now. Let's check out these cool Play-Doh eggs full of toy surprises. Starting off with a bright purple egg.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Mr. Carrot Cake from My Little Pony. Give the video a thumbs up if you've got My Little Pony. Who might be in the yellow egg?
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Lewis from Rio 2. Who's your favourite Rio 2 character? Comment below the best Rio 2 character is and tell me. The orange egg is the next surprise choice.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Panda number 2225 from Littlest Pet Shop. Up next, let's check out the red Play-Doh egg.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Sally from Cars 2. Let's see what the pink egg has for us.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Grotty Botfly from Trash Pack. What surprise do you think the green egg might have?
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Mantike from Pokemon. I'm having too much fun now. Thanks for watching. Share this video everywhere. On YouTube, Google+, Facebook, Twitter and more. And then click playlist and watch more.